All right. So looking at this with your scientific eye, what season do you think it is? Jackson?
Summer.
What makes you think it's summer?
Because it's raining and then the air picture I can see nice and hot and stuff.
So look. So do people agree that that might be summer?
No.
Some people are saying something different. So what might it
Spring.
what makes you think it's spring?
Because spring it rains a lot and spring has muddy things.
So it has muddy. Now, let's compare. Would there be leaves on the tree if it was summer?
No. Yes. No.
Let's think of when we look at a tree in the summer. Bona, what do you think?
I think fall because the trees don't have leaves and sometimes it rains in fall.
Okay, so we have three different options. So let's think it out. In the summer, will we have lots of leaves on the trees?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you see lots of leaves on those trees?
No.
No. So we know we can eliminate summer. But now we've got fall and we've got spring. So it rains a lot in both seasons. Now I'm wondering, if it was fall, what might you see beneath the tree? What might be under that tree? What might you see? Haley?
Leaves.
Leaves. Do you see any right now?
No.
No. So what season do we think it might be? JJ?
Spring.
Spring. I think that's a pretty good guess. All right, you also see the birds out and they're starting to eat the worms. So
Is it fall?
I think it's spring. Let's keep reading and find out if we're right. So there's our next clue. So far we do think it's spring. Now, if we look at that tree, what do you see on that tree? What do you see? Yeah, Leah?
Blossoms.
Blossoms. So
I see.
now what season is it helping us?
Summer.
You think
Spring.
you think it's so spring is when the blossoms start to grow.
And the sky usually be with pink and purple colors.
Okay, so more evidence. We see blossoms on the tree. So I think it's getting closer that we're going to find out that it's spring. So let's see the next page and see what it says. What do the words say?
Can't really see, Mr. Dickie.
Here, can you see them up there?
Yeah.
What does that say?
Oh,
Yeah?
spring morning.
Spring morning. So if we look at the evidence now, we see the blossoms on the trees, we don't see the leaves on the ground, and we see some rain and some puddles. So those pictures were from spring. Let's look at our next pictures and figure out what season it is. Okay, let's start guessing what season this might be. What do you see here?
Yellow.
What's our first guess, Haley?
Spring.
You think it still might be spring? Yes, buddy?
Summer?
What makes you think it's summer?
It's because the sun's out and the sky is blue.
Sky's blue. What else do you see in the picture there?
It's very hot.
It looks very hot, but what else?
Very hot.
What do you see, buddy?
It's yellow.
Do you see an insect maybe in that picture?
Butterfly.
A butterfly. And when do normally butterflies come out? When do they come out of their cocoon?
Summer.
Summer. So let's keep flipping and see the next page.